World Juniors are going to be, World Junior teams are going to be coming this weekend to Alberta. Sweden and Germany have had members of their team test positive for COVID. They're not taking part in the tournament, obviously. Do you have any concerns about teams being allowed into the tournament when they've had incidences of COVID on their squads?
Thank you very much for the question. I guess I get all the sports questions. Yeah, we've been in active discussions with the officials in Alberta, both public health as well, obviously, with Hockey Canada. The protocols that we've seen from a pure technical public health perspective, I think I've mentioned this earlier, look good with respect to the fact that they're going to be using or intend to use the same bubble concept as was successful for the NHL and also for the NBA with their playoffs last year. Having said that, though, everyone's also well aware that there's a larger context. You could have a tournament in a bubble, but there's also the situation epidemiologically, what's happening both in Canada, the U.S., and as you now have alluded to, in other countries. So that's something we're keeping an eye on. Certainly, all of the participating countries and teams are well aware of the types of protocols and the public health measures that all of the not just the players themselves, but the team members need to be practicing in advance of the tournament. But certainly, as we get closer to time and people are actually planning to travel, that'll be revisited. I think in general, we're very mindful that it is a federal responsibility for our borders. And certainly, I think what we've been doing is looking on a case-by-case basis in terms of what kind of events could be, I think, reasonably sort of undertaken or held in Canada in terms of, I guess, high-performance sport in this case. Thank you.